some split testing that we're doing. What do you got cooking this week?
We talking about agency stuff or
I don't really want to know anything. I don't want to know anything about you personally. That's all. Keep that
okay, well, in that case, then we'll talk about my gym record. No, anyway, no, I mean, well, we moved into ClickUp. I think I told you it's been now almost a month. So there's some ever going automations to add there. One thing I'll tell you, I'm really struggling with the integration of things because like between we have ClickUp and then we have our GHL kind of version, whatever, getting our client onboarding to speak to ClickUp, we have to go through Zapier, and then Zapier doesn't support custom fields. So for custom fields, I have to use Integromat, but Integromat or Make now is like this crazy advanced beast. So now I'm like on Integrately or whatever, just to get everything to talk to each other. It's a total nightmare because like, oh, this one will do that, but it won't. Like, for example, I can't get Integrately to create a recurring invoice in FreshBooks, but Zapier will. So it's like, I got to start here to go here to go here. I have this map of freaking stuff. And by the time I'm done, I'm just like, I'll just do it manually. By the time I figure this all out.
How do you feel about hiring a consultant to come in and build out everything for you?
I think that would probably be fine. I'd be open to it if they knew what they needed to do, honestly. I mean, I think it would be smarter. I think it'd be better. I don't like spending my time on it, but the thing is, I don't always have a perfect map of how everything should be because ClickUp is still new for us. Yeah. I mean, I can give a general idea. Hey, here's our custom fields. I want them filled out. Here's our forms. I want them filled out. Like, I could probably get most of the way there.
Yep.
So I think it'd be probably smart to do.
What did you guys replace ClickUp with?
Well, we had Asana before.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Yeah, we were on that for like since 2013 or something.
Dustin who got us on Asana. Now you're leaving.
I love Asana.
Yeah, as soon as you guys got on there, I left. I'm like, well, forget this crap. Party's over.
I know Nick is using ClickUp, and I don't know if he is officially hired or not, but Zen Pilot,
yeah.
Have you looked at them at all to potentially?
I have. I've seen some of their stuff, and I talked to the guys in the group that have used them and stuff. I mean, that might be the way to go. I think for most of our ops, we're pretty good. It's just literally the onboarding part that I have left to do. And from what I understand, their cost structure may not be reasonable for just doing that part of it, especially when I can get myself this far. So I was thinking about just hiring somebody in Upwork that can do integrations like really well. Because Integromat can do everything that I need. I just don't know how to use it well enough to get it to work with all the stuff that we have. So I've been kind of just doing it myself, but it's not my ideal thing to do. I just kind of like to know like where we're running into issues. That way, when I have somebody that does it, I can kind of make sure they're not wasting a bunch of time doing something I know is not going to work. I don't know. I'm just always been that type. I like to tinker with stuff. So
got it.